Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really fun because I'm going to be trying out this Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Rubber Brightening Mask. These released in Sephora recently, I think. And I think Dr. Jart, he released like a couple of these masks. This is just the brightening one that I picked up. In the past couple of months or so, his company has come out with really cool like rubber masks and things like that. So when I saw this Shake and Shot mask by Dr. Jart, I really wanted to try it out, you know, because I am a skincare junkie and I love trying out new masks and new moisturizers and things like that. So there are so many days that I go outside with no makeup on and I feel so much more confident having no makeup on because I do have good skin and I do take care of my skin. So even though I love my makeup and I love buying makeup products, I think investing in good skincare is essential. Alright, so without rambling on any further, let's get started with the mask. So as I mentioned, Dr. Jart's in Sephora and he released like 4 of these masks actually. This one is the rubber brightening mask. There is like a soothing mask, a hydro mask, firming mask, and then there is this brightening mask. So I opened the box itself. So this is like a DIY mask where you have to mix it in yourself. It comes with a spatula here. So this is step 1, which is your super booster. And then this one right here is called Brightening Liquid Ampule. The reason for the container is because we're supposed to mix these two in and use your spatula to mix it and then apply it to our face. So I put my hairband on and I've also already you know, cleansed my face. I don't have any moisturizer on because, you know, this is supposed to be like our masking or our serum type thing. So let's hope it doesn't get messy. If you guys can see, it's like this kind of like a, it's like a thick paste almost. Okay, just hope I'm not creating a mess. So you know what guys, this mixing thing is taking a while, so I'm gonna just mix it all up and then I'll be right back. So I am mixing it in and the texture is like very liquidy right now. So I don't know how it's gonna stay on my face, but let's give it a go. It does say to cover it up and shake it, which is what I'm doing right now. It looks like it's become more like a paste, and then so now I'm gonna apply it. So let's apply it. It actually smells really nice. You know what? It looks like I'm putting like yogurt on my face. So it says to apply it in the general areas, like except for the eyes and mouth, which is what I'm gonna do. It also feels really cooling as I'm applying it. You can see that there is a lot left in here, but it does say that you can only use it one time. I mean, you cannot save this mixture obviously. So I feel like that's a little bit of a waste. Trying to bring it down my neck too, just to get some more use out of this. Yeah, I don't know what to do with the rest of the mask. Maybe I'll try it out on my hand. Let's see. It's about 7:27 in the evening, so I'll wait on it for 20 minutes and I'll be right back and we'll see if it turned into a rubber mask or not. The time right now is 7:51, so it's been about 25 minutes I think since we put on our face mask. I can already feel that you know, it is kind of tightening here. Like I couldn't you know, move my face. I couldn't move my mouth a whole lot, but it wasn't super tightening because it's not a firming mask, but it just felt tight like how a mask generally feels. I want to take it off right now. Yeah, because some parts of it is kind of peeling off. Oh, I have a peel coming on. Kind of excited. It feels like I'm taking off wax. You know how wax is? And it's creating a right old mess. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I couldn't take it off all in one go, but that's okay. So this is what is left behind. It is so disgusting. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cool. Do you see, like, my skin is glowing right now? I can tell in the mirror here that my skin right now is like amazing. So I'll wash off my face and I'll be right back, and then we can talk about the mask and, you know, how it feels on my skin. Guys, so I'm back looking refreshed, brightened. Oh my god, my skin looks so good. So my skin feels a little bit tacky right now just because, you know, it was all of that kind of like moisturizer that kind of sunk into my skin. When I was applying the mask, it felt really cooling as well. My skin just looks so much more awake, so much more brightened. You know, it has so much more shine to my skin. My skin has woken up from inside and it just looks so much more brighter and feels so soft. Yeah, so I think that I quite like this mask. So I'm going to recommend this mask to whoever is looking for more of like that brightening thing, you know, because in the winter time it's so cold outside, so my skin tends to get a little bit dull due to the winter. The only thing I'll say is that the amount of product that you get to mix in, there will be some left over. So what I did right now was that the amount of product that was left behind, I actually put it on my mom's face. So the amount of product that they give is good enough for two time use. But unfortunately, because you mix all the products in one go, you're kind of left with a, you know, it's kind of wasted, because what if you didn't have somebody to share this mask with? So you're kind of left behind with all that extra goodness, but you cannot use it, really. That's all I had for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying out this Dr. Jart Shake and Shot mask. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my makeup channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in